Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl Rink Chick, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen. I've been making bread all morning long, and after 2 loaves, I turned the camera on and said, I want to show my friends how to make homemade bread. I love making it. One of my older family members could not find any bread, and I was just going to surprise her with some and make it from scratch. And I thought maybe some of you guys would like to learn how to do it too. When I was a caterer, when I started making homemade rolls and breads, my sales just went up. And so this is a recipe that has proven to be a winner, and I love it. It's easy. It's only 4 ingredients. So since and this is my 3rd time filming this, and so on my next video I will give you a tutorial. I've lost all of that footage, but right now I can tell you to make homemade bread, all you need is like 4 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour, a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 cups of hot water. The water should be between 100 and 105 degrees, and then you bloom your yeast, a packet of yeast, in that warm water. And then combine it all, and I'll show you what yeast I use. And I use this active dry yeast, and I have some bread coming out of the oven right now, so let me show you that, because I don't want all this information to go to waste. So at least you can see something. And when I make bread, I normally make a round loaf, and then I make like a French bread loaf. And when it comes out of the oven, I baste it with some butter. You can use vegan butter or regular butter. Okay. And it's done. Like, you hear that hollow sound? That means it's done. See the bottom? It's done. So put it on a rack. Let it cool. Same thing with the round one. Hear that sound? It's done. So I'm going to let it cool for a minute or 2, and then I'll slice into it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm letting the bread cool a little bit, and just let the CO2 work for a few minutes, because if you cut into it too soon, you know, it can cause problems in some people. So you let it cool off, let everything work together. And I'm a big believer of self-sufficiency. The more you can do for yourself, the better. You know, I had someone call me, they was like, I went to the store and they didn't have any bread, so now I don't have any bread. And I'm like, who don't have any bread? She says, I don't have any bread because the store doesn't have any. I'm like, you got some flour, salt, and sugar? Yeah. So you got some water? Yep. And I said, you got some yeast? She said, yeah, I got some for Thanksgiving, but I never used it. I'm like, you got some bread. And so I said, I'm going to make bread. My relative didn't have any, so I'm like, you know, why not? I have time. And my hubby put some of my bread into one of our fridges that's not working well, in the freezer. So I'm like, it's questionable. I said, I need some fresh bread too, because the last time I went to the store, all the good bread was gone. So this is so much better. It's easy. It is time consuming, but it's easy, and the texture and the taste is so superior to anything you're going to buy. So this is something, guys, that you can keep in your repertoire. You can make pizza. Let me bring this up. You can make this same recipe. You can make pizza out of it. And hamburger buns, hot dog buns. I'll do a tutorial on all of that. All right, but let me show you. I'm gonna cut this round piece. It's killer. See the texture, steam is still coming off of it. This is the way to go. Way to go. Grilled cheeses, peanut butter and jelly. Put some ham. My husband made a ham the other day. I'm gonna put some ham on this bad boy and cheese. Yes, ma'am. Alright, so, and this is the other one. Make sub sandwiches out of this. Alright, guys, so thank you guys so much for being patient with me and for rolling with your girl. And if you learned something today, if you like this channel, go on and subscribe if you're new. My current subscribers, guys, I love you guys. Thanks for rolling with your girl. And I've got more content coming up soon. All right. Thank you guys. Bye. Let's keep rolling.